Hi everyone! For this video, I'll teach you how to fix your Instagram story quality. With this tutorial, you will finally be able to upload high quality Instagram stories. The first step is opening your Instagram. You are now on the Feed tab. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then open Settings, which is at the 3 lines at the top right corner. Now, find Account. Open it and then tap on Data Usage. Make sure cellular data is off and upload at highest quality is on. This helps because the more data you use, the more quality it has. And upload at highest quality just basically helps your video or photo have higher quality. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.